Hey, I'm Jack Gately from Jack Gately Real Estate. Let's take a look at our September Plymouth real estate market update. So the first thing that we're going to look at is what's on the market. How many houses are on the market? In the beginning of September, on September 1st, there were 66 single-family homes on the market in Plymouth. And that, I draw the red line here. That's obviously a continuation of the trend that inventory is starting to creep. I would not say skyrocket, but starting to creep back up. And in fact, today is the 9th. As of today, there are 72 single family homes on the market on September 9th. So that's much better than the 40 that we had back here in February or something like that, a 40-ish number. So inventory is going up. You would think that that would relieve some sales pressure. Well, maybe not so much. You see, the problem here is that the number of sales is actually increasing at a faster rate. You can see the slope going up is steeper. The number of sales is increasing at a faster rate than the number of new homes going on the market. So in August, we sold 85 homes townwide in Plymouth. And that was definitely an increase, and it was a higher rate of increase than the inventory that is coming on the market. Hopefully I made that as crystal clear as possible. So what has that had effect on pricing? Let's take a look. Well, average sales price continues to hover around $550,000 for a single family home in Plymouth. I know, it's startling, right? And those days of finding that nice, cute little house for 320, like you could say 3 or 4 years ago, not so much. Yeah, the starter house that was pretty much, ready to go. Maybe you had to do a little bit of work on it, but not much. Those days are over. We sold a lot of those back in, say, 2016, 2017. Yeah, those days are well over. And everything continues to go the seller's way. This number is just astounding to me. The fact that I thought this would be an anomaly when we popped up to about 106%. Oops, sorry about that. When we popped up to about 106%, you heard me talk about this early this summer. And this is the ratio between the sales price and the original price. So very powerful number, because if you're putting your house on the market, let's just use simple numbers up, for $100,000. Here in Plymouth, you're getting $104,000 for that home in August of 2021. And I was astounded when it moved up above the 100 level. And now there's been a little noise in the number there, as you can see, over the last couple of months. But it's been, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row that it's been well over 100. So buyers are outbidding themselves. I mean, it's really tough. Continues to be tough. I had heard some talk in the market that, people are saying, oh, it's easing off and things are getting a little bit, more rational instead of the, irrational exuberance we had of the early spring. But the numbers don't show that. Here's another one that it's just to kind of cap this off. All right. So as I said earlier, there's more properties coming on the market, but the rate by which they're selling is actually even faster than they're coming on the market. And nothing demonstrates that trend better than this chart. This is what we call days to offer. This is the number of days that your house is going to sit on the market, your single family home, until you accept an offer as the seller. And in August, that was 11 days. 11 days. Your average seller in Plymouth accepted an offer for their single family home in 11 days, less than 2 weeks. And obviously you can see how that trend has been going down for quite some time. So you put it on the market, boom, it's accepted offer, pretty much a done deal within 11 days. In other words, it's flying off the shelf. We had in June, we also had I think it was also about 11. But that number, it can't get much lower than this, can it? And you can see previous to this, it was 2, 3, 4 weeks. It was weeks and weeks. Now it's less than 2 weeks. So thought we were looking at a little bit of settling in the market, but it doesn't appear that way. Statistically, that those just aren't numbers just aren't proven out. All right, so hey, I'm Jack from Jack Gately Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.